Once upon a time, there was a boy named Arthur who had a great love for food. He was particularly fond of watching his granddad cook dinner, and he always admired the way he would whip up delicious meals with ease. One day, Arthur's granddad decided to do something fun and make a lemon cake. He planned a trip to the Lidl supermarket, hoping to find all the ingredients they needed to make the cake. Arthur went with his granddad to the supermarket, and as they walked in, his eyes widened in amazement. He had never seen so many fruits in one place before, and he felt a rush of excitement. Arthur ran up and down the aisles, admiring the colourful array of fruits on display. However, Grandad called him back and asked him to help find some lemons for the cake. Arthur was eager to help and started searching for lemons. Despite his best efforts, he couldn't seem to find them. As he became more frustrated, he suddenly spotted something yellow out of the corner of his eye. Arthur rushed over, shouting, "Lemons! Lemons! Lemons!" with excitement. Grandad finally caught up with Arthur and asked him what he had found. Arthur showed him the yellow fruit and exclaimed, "Lemons, Grandad! I found the lemons!" Grandad inspected the fruit and explained to Arthur that they were, in fact, yellow melons and not lemons at all. Arthur was disappointed and muttered to himself, "Lemons need lemons." Grandad continued shopping, while Arthur sulked and wandered off. However, he soon heard Arthur shouting excitedly again, "Lemons! Lemons! Lemons! Got lemons!" Grandad rushed over to see a crowd had gathered around Arthur, who was proudly showing off the lemons he had found. They continued shopping for the eggs, flour, milk, and sugar to make what was going to be a delicious lemon cake. But all the other shoppers they passed, Arthur would get his lemons and proudly show them, shouting, "Lemons! Lemons! Lemons! Got lemons!" It was time to go to the checkout and pay for the shopping. Arthur reluctantly put the lemons on the conveyor belt. But while Grandad wasn't looking, Arthur grabbed the lemons and ran to 6 big builders in their lemon-coloured coats and exclaimed, "Lemons! Lemons! Lemons! Got lemons!" The builders smiled at Grandad. Arthur and Grandad packed the shopping and went home. Together, they made a delicious lemon cake. Arthur felt proud of himself for helping to find the key ingredient. From that day on, Arthur never forgot the difference between lemons and yellow melons.